Run a diagnostic on the rear fuselage.
See the stress fractures developing near the tail assembly. We should advise a material change.
Horizontal. The current shielding around the main fuselage is insufficient for the projected threat level.
Agreed.
The E-4B Nightwatch, designed to withstand the impossible. Its advanced EMP shielding
This wiring harness needs rerouting before we seal the panel.
Okay, I see it on the schematic. I'll flag the robotics team.
Check the tolerances on section gamma.
Looks aligned. Proceed with the next rivet sequence.
Yes, we are clear on the east side.
All right, steady on the alignment. We are good to proceed for final mounting. Status is green.
Confirmation received. Activating encryption protocols now. Lower the main console array. I repeat, lower the main console array to deck level 7.
This stress point seems consistent with the previous report.
Agreed. The data matches the 3D model precisely. Let's move on to the next section.
Okay, slowly bring it down just a few more inches. Copy that, easing tension now. Alignment looks good from here, engineer.
The hydraulic line pressure seems low in this section of the wing.
The tablet shows green across the board.
Let's run the diagnostic again, just to be safe.
Commander, tracking suggests incoming trajectory at 2900.
Confirmed. Divert all available assets to intercept. I want eyes on that payload immediately.
The target is located here, deep within the red zone. We anticipate heavy resistance at the bridge.
What is the timeline for air support, sir?
0400 hours, Zulu. We move now.
We have an anomaly on Sector Gamma. Rerouting telemetry now.
The weather pattern shifted north. Rerouting cargo 501.
What is the status of the assets in the red zone? I need confirmation on the ground immediately.
Confirmed, General. Awaiting data.
Center, Clipper 12, climbing flight level 350. 350 selected.
Warning. DEFCON level changed to 2. Condition red.
Flaps 20, speed checked.
Roger that.
Gear down, 3 green. Cleared to land.
This is a confirmed level 3 emergency. I repeat, level 3.
Readings are spiking, Commander. We're losing containment.
Secondary systems engaged.
Confirming target location. Deploy asset immediately.
Roger that. Deployment sequence active.
All personnel, maintain current trajectory. We are approaching the stabilization point. All systems go. Proceed with launch.
Copy that. Trajectory stable.